Namaste. Welcome to part 2 of the Shabda Nirnaya series, the study of the etymological derivation of Samskritam words. Samskritam words have deep meanings often derived from dhatus. Understanding how words are formed helps in grasping their true essence and usage. Now, let's take a look at the words which we will be exploring today. Samskara, Nishchaya, Nirupana, Anugraha, Adhikara. We will uncover the etymological roots of these Samskritam words and understand their deeper meanings. Samskriyate iti samskaraha. That which is refined or purified is called samskaraha. The word comes from sam, meaning complete, and kara, meaning making or formation. So samskara is the complete refinement, which is the process of purification, transformation and upliftment. Nishchayam bhavati iti nishchayaha. That which becomes firmly decided is called nishchayaha. The word is formed from ni, meaning definite, and Shchaya, meaning decision or determination. So Nishchaya is not just any choice, but it's a decision that is clear, unshaken and resolute. Nirupyate iti nirupanam. That which is thoroughly described is called nirupanam. This word comes from nir, meaning definite or clear, and upana, which means designation or description. So, Nirupanam is the act of laying something out clearly, systematically and in full detail. Anugrinhati iti anugraha. That which is received with kindness and given with care is called anugraha. The word comes from anu, meaning following or along with, and graha means to accept or to take. So, anugraha is the act of accepting someone with compassion, following their need and responding with kindness. Adhikaryate iti adhikaraha. That which is to be exercised or acted upon is called adhikaraha. The word comes from adhi, meaning over or above, and kara, meaning action or doing. So, adhikaraha means the right, the power or the authority to perform a specific action and to do it with legitimacy. Let's quickly recollect what we have learned today. Samskara. Samskriyate iti samskaraha. Nishchaya. Nishchitam bhavati iti nishchayaha. Nirupana. Nirupyate iti nirupanam. Anugraha. Anugrinhati iti anugraha. Adhikara. Adhikaryate iti adhikaraha. Dhanyavadaha.